Hello and welcome to Enet Digital's YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to add cards and end screen on your YouTube videos. But before I go on to show you this, I want to tell you 5 reasons why you should add cards and end screens. I welcome you to my channel. If today is your first time coming to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. For my wonderful returning subscribers, I say a very big thank you for being part of this community. So what I do basically here is I find what is working on YouTube and then I bring it out here to share with you. So now let's go straight to why you must add cards and end screen on your YouTube channel. The first thing is that it increases your session watch time. That's watch hour that you are looking for. Those people looking for watch hour, one thing that this thing does is that it increases your watch time. That's the watch hour. That's the language I believe everybody understands. So it increases your watch hour. The second one is that it increases the audience retention. Like now, when someone is watching your video, the person may be watching not because the video is interesting but because of the thumbnail you put up there. But as the person is watching, a card might pop up and the person will see something that he loves, like the title of your card. If it's catchy enough, the person will see it and then click on it, and that will help to retain that person on your channel to watch or spend more time on your YouTube channel, or yes, on your YouTube channel. So the next one, that's the third one, is to recover lost viewers. There are some people that, you know, people view your channel and within a few minutes they will just go out and that's it. But there are some cards and end screen you will put. YouTube algorithm, if it's able to push it out, it will help to recover these people back to your channel again. And another one, that is number 4 now, it drives strategic growth. This will help your channel to grow because as people are watching, they are seeing card title that they love, or maybe at the end of it, because sometimes people also watch and as they are watching, they are forwarding it to see what happened, or maybe at the end of it to just see. And this, with this card or end screen, people might see what interests them and they will just subscribe to your channel, waiting for you to upload something that would interest them the more. So this will help to drive your growth. So that is number 4. And then number 5, it improves your content network strength. So this helps your network, I mean YouTube channel strength, to be stronger, because as you are growing on YouTube is recognizing every damn thing that happens on your channel and they use it to suggest and bring more tools to you. So without much explanation, let's dive straight in on how to do this. So I'm already on my YouTube dashboard. So you will go to this point here, content. So I will click on content. So this is the last video I just uploaded. So I'll just go ahead to click on this, my channel. So this my video that I just uploaded. So in order to add this card, I will go down and come to this point here. I will click on end screen. So you can see we have 3 options here. We have 2, we have 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, and 3 here. It depends on what you want to do, but for the sake of this video, I am going to use this 3, and I will tell you why this 3. This 3 is a strategy I use to retain people to view another video apart from the one they just watched. That's this one I just uploaded. You can see this is another video here, and YouTube will use this one best for viewer. They will automatically suggest a video that they think the viewer will like. They will suggest it here, and this one is subscribe button. If the person is not subscribed to my channel, once the person clicks on this point, the subscribe button will pop out and the person will be able to subscribe. So you can see that this is a tool on its own to retain subscribers, or sorry, to retain my viewers. So that is one. So once I'm done doing this, I'm done already. So the next thing is I will click save. Then the next one is to add card to my video. So I will click on this point, and then the first place is my first 3 seconds. My first 3 seconds, or okay, at this point I'll make it here. The first 3 seconds of my video playing, I'm going to add a playlist. So this is one playlist that I will add here. Then I'll come to the center. This one depends on you. You can choose wherever you want to upload it. So I'll click. You can also choose whatever you want to upload. So I'll just click here and select a video that I think people would also love. So I'll just click on this video. Then I'll go here. My battery is low, so I'll be fast so that it will not go off. So I will click on this point and then search for any video at all, and then let me just, for the sake of the video and because of my battery, I'll just choose this one. And then this point, I'll just add one more. Let me add a channel. So you can also add your channel if you have 2 channels. So I'll click, I'll just search for my channel. Yeah, this is my channel here. So I just added it, and then I will go ahead. Channel cards must have a custom message. Yeah, so this place I'll just add a custom message here. Animate like pro. So okay, teaser. So I'll just go ahead and click save, and then we are done. So the next thing is to save our video. I'll just go ahead and click on save to save my video, and that's all. So if you love this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and comment in the comment section and let me know the video you want me to make next, because I'm here to help you. I'm here to bring updates to you and then help you grow your channel. So remember, I am Emmanuel EOEnet. Thank you and see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop your comment and let me know what you think in the comment section.